Hey everyone. Welcome back to HamztechFixer YouTube channel, the go-to channel for all your tech-related issues and fixes. And today we have a common problem that many Google AdSense users encounter. Before we jump into the solution, let's quickly understand why this error occurs. Google AdSense has some strict policies to ensure the security of your account. Attempting to verify your number multiple times within a short period can trigger this message. But don't worry, we've got a fix for you. Let's try a simple effective step. If you've been attempting to verify your number multiple times in a short span, take a break. Wait for about 6 to 12 hours without doing anything. Sometimes, Google AdSense just needs a bit of time to reset. If the problem persists, let's try something else. Try using a different browser or device. Compatibility issues might be at play here. Now, if you're still facing the issue, consider trying another phone number altogether. Sometimes, the problem might be specific to a particular number. Give it a shot with a different one and see if that resolves the issue. Now, if none of the above methods work, and even after entering the desired and latest phone number, if you still see the dreaded "you have tried to verify this number too many times" error, it's time to delve into more advanced solutions. So watch the full video for zero errors. If you can't verify your AdSense account with any phone number, you have to close your AdSense account and create a new AdSense one. Now I will show you create new AdSense account and how to verify the payment option without verifying the phone number. Before closing the current AdSense account, you have to change the details under payment details and account information in your AdSense. Otherwise, when you create a new AdSense account, the newly created AdSense account can be duplicated. Now, if there are websites that you have applied for in your AdSense account, you can delete them and close the AdSense account. Now you have to create a new AdSense account. Before that, you need to restart your internet connection and change your IP address, because otherwise when you log into two AdSense accounts with the same IP address, it can be duplicated. Now you have to add a recovery phone number and confirm it. Now create a new Google AdSense account. Do not enter the same details as in your previously deleted AdSense account, because otherwise your AdSense account may be duplicated. Therefore, make a slight change in your name and address and fill in the details. For your family, it will not be a problem to give someone's name here. After entering the payment information, go to the home page of the AdSense account and see if your payment option has been verified. You will not be asked to verify the phone number from within AdSense because you have added the phone number to your Google account and verified it. This works only if you add the phone number to the Google account and verify it before signing up to the AdSense account. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to HamztechFixer for more tech tips, gaming fixes, and all things related to making your tech life easier. Until next time, happy gaming buddies.